lesson 2 today. There is say it, sound it, and also spell it. Let's switch the page. Let's put it on. Let's click the green circle
Dad,
button.
good night.
Dad, good night. Okay, let's go on A for apple.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Short A makes the sound at apple.
Short A makes the sound apple. Let's go on
Play a game.
Dad.
A star at the bottom of the page.
I say this. A. So here's T, A, D. Tad. Let's go on wig.
Wig.
Wig. This.
Knit.
Mitt. What else? Oh, here. I say this. Cat.
Bag.
Bag. Here.
A. Bat.
Bat.
Bib.
Bib.
Rat.
Rat.
Pin.
Pin. Here. What could I click on? Here. I say it. Okay, then.
L.
Owl.
I. L.
Owl. Lil. That's her name. Okay, let's go on here.
Short I makes the sound I. Igloo.
Short I make the sound I for igloo. Here's the igloo. Okay.
Cab.
Cab. I say okay.
Fan.
Fan. Here.
Pig.
Pig.
Bin.
Bin.
Lid.
Lid.
Fin.
Fin.
Cap.
Cap. Map.
Map.
Map. What did this one is?
Vowels. A-E-I-O-U. Vowels.
Vowels.
Letters to me and you
Body words. Vowels are the glue.
that holds things all together.
Vowels.
That's nice. There is say it. Let's
Say
click
it.
on here.
Touch a word.
Say
hear
it.
Spoken. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
An apple for a day keep the doctors away. How about sound it?
Sound it. Touch a letter to hear it sounded out.
Sound it.
W. I. G. Wig.
W. W. E. G. Wig. How about mitt?
I.
E.
Knit.
T.
In the word knit.
Okay. How about cat?
A.
K.
A.
A. T. Cat. Bag.
B.
B.
A.
A.
G.
G. Bag. This is easy. B.
A.
A.
Bat.
Bat. Pin. on here. Wait, okay. K, A, B, B, cab. F, I, N, fin. A, P, I, G, pig. B, I, N, bin. Lid. Easy. A, P, map. How about cap? K, A, P, cap. And there is some games here. There is game 1 and game 2. I'll just go on game. This game is easy for me.
Let's play a game.
The letter A sounds A, and the letter I sounds I. Help us build so many neat words. And yikes! There are lots of them right here in this messy room. Let's see if you can find them all.
Find all the letter A's. A.
A.
Yes!
A.
Terrific!
A. A. T. We're looking for T. A.
Excellent!
A. A.
Excellent!
Where? No.
A.
You got it!
You've already found that one. Keep looking for more letter A's. You've already found that's a picture. We're looking for letters. Find all the letter A's. Letters found 10.
I found 10.
Go!
To play again, touch the gold star
Okay.
at the bottom of the page.
So time to play game 2. Let's go on here.
Let's play a game.
Oh, brother, we have a lot of cleaning up to do before Mom and Dad go out tonight. We need to put these things away fast.
Help Lil and Tad clean up their toys by putting them in the bag or in the bin. Touch that's the pig. We're looking for the map. Map. If you hear the sound in the word map, touch the bag. If you hear the sound in the word map, touch the bin. Let's try again. Map. If you let's try again. Map. If you let's try this again. Let's try this again later. Thanks for playing. To play again, touch the green star at the bottom of the page.
Yeah. This is fun. Okay, let me
Bye-bye.
off it now. How about this button? That would say that was easy.
That was easy.
That was easy. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. See you. Bye-bye, everyone. I hope you enjoy learning with me. See you in next video.